Hey fellas, it's the 4th of July. I just wanted to give a 4th of July greetings, but do it in a special way. Yeah, I want to read that in Morse Code. So. Yeah, so have a happy Semiquincentennial Independence Day. Thanks to our troops who continue to fight for our freedom. And for those in the military, thank you for your service. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm at the Republic Airport, waiting for the Blue Angels to come back. There's a few displays. A few pictures on pictures. It's another display. There's a Republican Airport Historical Society. There's a waiting area. A display with plans. And Friendship Flight 79. And here's a large model of an airplane. And yeah, display. This one of the Blue Angels. Here's another model of that. Aircraft. Okay, that's about it. I hope you liked the video. Have a nice day, 7-3.